Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins. And then search with the keyword Bulletproof Security. And you will get a free plugin. Just you can install it. Here you can see 30,000 plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So just you can install this plugin, and after that simply activate, and now you will get options on the left side. Here you can see this one. Now you can go, and after that you can scan your website as well as you can do other options. Now simply you can click on setup wizard, then click here. So here you can see it has checked all the details, and now you can go scan. Now you can start scan, and here you can see what it will do. So it will scan private, WP admin, WP content, and WP includes these directories. Just you can click on the button, start scan, and it will take some time. And after that it will generate a detailed report here. Just you can go and check. Then you can see htaccess file options, so you can get full control over files in file manager. So in most of the cases WordPress websites are hacked by htaccess file. So here you can see these options are already activated. Now you can click here htaccess file editor, then you can log htaccess file, and you can also check login security. Scroll down, and here you can see you can enable login attempts, so you can change it the value from 3 to 4. You can also add time, and you can also check lockout time, then click on save button. And these are the conditions that you can apply and enable. So Within few clicks, you can easily protect your WordPress website free of cost.